Good day to everyone. Today we will discuss about another one SDLC model, that is derived model or customized model. What we will do in this derived model? In this derived model, we will take up any of the four basic models that we had discussed previously, that is waterfall model, uh, or V&V model, spiral model, prototype model. From these, we will take any one of the following. Then we'll change these as per our business requirement or customer requirement or as per the company standard. So since we are doing these changes in the existing model, it is called as derived model. Now let us see an example of how derived model or customized model works. Now you can see that we have taken an example of waterfall model here. In this you can see in our regular waterfall model, it will be a requirement collection, feasibility review, design, coding, testing, implementation and maintenance. After the feasibility review, requirement changes will not be allowed in the regular waterfall model. If you want to adapt any changes even after the feasibility review, if you want to accept the requirement changes, then we can do that and it will be called as the derived model. In the same way, in the waterfall model, high level design and low level design, the design stages would not be tested, but we can do this testing for the design also. If we implement the testing in this existing waterfall model, then it will be called as derived model or customized model. So this is how the derived model or customized model works. Now let us see another one SDLC model, that is hybrid model. What does this hybrid model means? As the name suggests, the hybrid model means it is the combination of two or more models as per our business requirement. Same as the derived model. In the derived model, we would take one of the any four model and we would modify it. But in hybrid model, we'll combine two or more models, then we'll modify those into as per our business requirement or customer requirement, and we'll develop the software or project. Now let us see a hybrid model of spiral and prototype development models. When will we go with this type of model? This type of model, that is spiral and prototype hybrid model, we go when there is the dependency between the models. When there is dependency between the features, we go with this type of hybrid model. And when the customer is giving his requirement stage by stage, we go with this hybrid model. And when the customer is new to this software industry, then we'll go with this hybrid model. When developers are new to the domain, then we'll go with this. Then when the customer is not clear about his own requirement, then we'll go with this spiral line prototype hybrid model. Now let us see another example, that is hybrid model of V&V and prototype model. We go with this model when the testing stages, we want to test the product development from the beginning itself, so that we can avoid the flow of defects by reducing, and also we can reduce the rework. And when the customer is expecting a very high quality of a product within a short period of time, then we'll go with this model. Since the testing and development team, they work parallelly, they would get the product done at a very less time. So we'll use this hybrid model here. When client and developers both are new to the domain, then we'll go with this V&V and prototype model. When customer is not clear about his own requirement, we'll go with this V&V and prototype model. This is how the hybrid model works. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.